In this video, I'll show you how to install add-ons in Google Docs. If you want to add extra features to Google Docs, like e-signatures, formatting tools, citations, or workflow apps, you can install them from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Google says add-ons for Docs are installed through the Extensions menu, and once installed, they can appear inside Docs and other Google Workspace apps depending on what the add-on supports. First, open your Google Doc on a computer. Then go to the top menu, click Extensions, choose Add-ons, and then click Get Add-ons. That opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can browse or search for the add-on you want. Google's Docs Help and Marketplace guidance both point to this as the standard installation path. Now search for the add-on you want to install. When you find it, click the add-on name to open its details page. Then click Install and follow the prompts. Google says you may be asked to sign in and allow permissions, because many add-ons need access to parts of your Google account or document in order to work properly. After the installation is complete, go back to your document and open Extensions again. In many cases, the new add-on will appear there, and from that menu, you can open or launch it. Google says installed add-ons can usually be accessed from the Extensions menu inside Google Docs. There is one important thing to keep in mind. Some add-ons are managed by your organization if you use a work or school account. Google says admins can install marketplace apps for users, restrict which apps are allowed, or block users from installing certain add-ons on their own. So if you do not see Get Add-ons or the Install button is unavailable, your Google Workspace admin may have limited marketplace access. And if you ever want to remove an add-on later, Google says you can go back to Extensions, choose Add-ons, then Manage Add-ons to view or remove what you installed. That makes it easy to clean up add-ons you no longer use. So the full process is simple. Open your document, go to Extensions, choose Add-ons, click Get Add-ons, install the add-on from the Google Workspace Marketplace, approve the permissions, and then launch it from the Extensions menu. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.